In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create charts on Google Sheets. So you can see on your screen, I have a bar chart and a pie chart here. You can create a lot of charts using Google Sheets. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we are going to use this table here. So you just highlight the part of the table you want to use. Yeah, very, very simple. So let's just try highlighting. You see we have two places selected. You tap on the insect here. You can see chart here. Just tap on the chart. Good. Automatically, it gives you a bar chart, something of that sort, or a column chart. So what you're going to do is you see these options here. This is where you can change the type of chart they've given you. You can see there's a pie chart, there's a scatter, right? And there's a pie chart again. And now you can use this type of pie chart, 3D. Scroll to the bottom. They have a lot of options for you. They have a heat map too as well. Yeah, and you scroll to the bottom and they have a lot of options for you. They even have a smart art for you too as well. Very, very simple. They call it organizational chart. So what you're going to do is you can even select the range of the table from this section to manually. If you didn't really select it well, it's up to you. And you can do a lot of edits. You can double tap just like on Excel to change the headings on the chart and all that. You can change the color, test color. You can change it to yellow. You see it appears there. You can do a lot of edits. Google Sheets is very, very flexible compared to Excel, I think. Yeah, so that's it on how you create charts on Google Sheets. I have a lot of tutorials on Google Sheets and Excel, so you can check them out on my channel's playlist. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video once again. Peace.